This
Yes, sir.
conference will now be recorded.
So we have completed this Rasapanchaka karma area. We are there, isn't it? From it is having many karmas. Now we are going to indications. So it is used in Prameha, Vishavikaras, Kushtas, Raktapitta, Shitapitta. I am telling allergic conditions. It is one of the good drug. Allergic skin manifestation, allergic respiratory conditions. It is one of the very good drug. We can use it. Very nice, and Pinasa also, Pratishaya, Swasakasa, kapha disorders, it is good. And when there is a external injury, there also external application it can be done. So Amayika Prayagas, many Amayika Prayagas are there. When there is a external application can be done on this. When there is discoloration with Haridra, Rakta Chandana and buffalo milk mixed, and it can be applied lepa. In Prameha, we can give Haridra, Swaras and Churn. In Hikka, Swasa, Visha, Murcha, Brahma, etc., we can Dhuma of Haridra, pieces of Haridra powder we can use. And when there is a external injury, blood is coming out, Raktastrava, we can stop with Haridra powder. Urana, we can apply Kalka. For Haridra, and we can for Varnapachana, and we can make a Malahar and apply for Shodhana and Ropana. Haridra Taila is also. Netra Bishanda, conjunctivitis, we can use one part of Haridra and 10 parts of water. We can make boil and filter, and normal temperature we have to bring, and then we can do Aschotana for conjunctivitis. This is one more yoga in Prameha. Haridra Churna plus Amalaki Pala Rasa plus Madhu. This is called Datri Nisha or Nisha Amalaki. Charaka Chikitsa, it is there. Vagbata also it is there. It is one of the most used drug in Nisha Amalaki or Datri Nisha Yoga. Is used in diabetes also. Kushtas, we have to take Haridra one pala, and Gomutra. Gomutra with Kushta is mentioned in many skin disorders. You can see Gomutra with Haridra. And Sleepada also, Haridra with Jagari, elephantiasis, lymphadenitis condition. In Sarpavisha, Haridra Dvaya, Daru Haridra and this Haridra as Agada internal and external can be given. So useful part is rhizome, usually dried rhizome and its powder is used. And Matra is 1 to 3 grams of drug in powder form, Swarasa 10 to 20 ml. Haridra Kanda is one of the most used yoga, and Nisha Amalaki or Datri Nisha. Haridra the Thailam is mentioned in Prameha. So other species are there. You can go through the net. Curcuma caesia, this is called black turmeric, Kali Haldi. Curcuma aromatica, Karpura Haridra. Curcuma pseudomontana is there, Vana Haridra. Curcuma amada, this is Amragandhi Haridra, mango ginger. And Curcuma angustifolia, Indian arrowroot, this is Tavakshiri. So some assignment I have given, you can go through that, and you have to submit later, isn't it? So now we'll come to another drug, Daru Haridra. This is Daru Haridra and Haridra are, I mentioned, they are called Haridra Dvaya and Nisha Dvaya. So Daru Haridra, Daru is actually is a wood part. So Haridra, which is coming from the wood stem, is called Daru Haridra. It is not rhizome, it is the stem, and some of the roots of Daru Haridra and lower parts of the stem are mostly used as Daru Haridra. Berberis aristata of Berberidaceae is the drug. Many other berberis species like Berberis asiatica, lycium are also used. In South India, Cocinium fenestratum is used as Daru Haridra. It is a Kalambaka or Kaliaka, but still many people have used it, and it is having similar properties of Daru Haridra. So Daru Haridra is having some synonyms like Daru Haridra, Darunisha, Darvi, most commonly used is Darvi. There are some very special names called Katangateri, Pachampacha. These are you may get in your MCQ question. Katamkateri and Pachampacha. Daru Haldi, Indian barberry. So you can see how it is there. You see the dark yellow colored stem. Just you can see it when there is a cut surface is there. You can see the ovate or oblanceolate leaves coming in clusters, at each node, 3 to 4 are coming, and they are having very small petiole, and you can see the yellowish colored flowers are there, and they are coming in axillary region, and you can see spines are there where in the spines and leaves are coming at the same node. That is how you can see it is a shrubby spinous plant usually found in Himalayan region. Even in Nilgiris and Sri Lanka also there, but most commonly found in Himalayan region. So you can see the fruits of it. So initially they are somewhat bluish tinge will be there, and they are oval elongated, and you can see the apex is having some protuberance, and later they turn into the red color. You can see the spines and leaves how they are in branches. You can see one more photo. So it is mentioned in Charaka in Arshokna Gana, Kandukna Gana, and Lekaniya Gana. Lekaniya, Kandukna both are similar to Haridra. Arshokna Gana in Arshas, this is having some more additional activity. So in Arshas, hemorrhoids, piles, this is one of the drug. External application is mentioned. Even Haridra is also used in Arshas, but this is also one of the more potent drug. In Susruta, it is same Gana, Haridradi, Mustadi, and in Lakshadi it is mentioned. It is a separate Gana where Sandhana is there, Ritakyadi Varga in Bhavaprakash. So morphology I have already told. And there are other species like Asiatica, Lycium. There are many species which are also used in the name of Daruharidra. Cocinium is thing which is commonly used in South India. You can see it is called Kaliyaka. Kaliyaka is a variety of Daruharidra. That is what we call as Cocinium fenestratum, Kaliyakam kalambakam. So Darvi Nishaguna means why they have mentioned Darvi Haridra Dvayam, because Darvi is having Nishaguna. It is having the same properties as mentioned in Haridra. Whatever you studied now until for Haridra, all are present in Daru Haridra also. Kintu Netra Karna Asya Roganut. So it is useful in 3 other disorders: Netra Vikaras, Karna Vikaras, and Mukha Vikaras. So upper respiratory disorders, it is having more usage. It is one of the Chakshushya drug. It is one of the drug used in Karna Vikaras and Mukha Rogas. Mukha Rogas, it is having very, very good use. So that's why we are studying them in common. So one more product coming out of this drug is called as Rasa.
Hello? So it's not audible.
Offline tadi. Sagar Chiller. Yes, Rudra speaking ya.
ओ हेलो, टाइम पास मत करो, रिकॉर्डिंग होगा।
टाइम पास नहीं कर रहे, बोल रहे थे बस।
सागर चिल्लर, पढ़ाई करो।
तुम्हारे जितना नहीं होता ध्रुव राजपूत।
ये इधर बात मत करो, ग्रुप में करो, इधर मत करो।
ये अक्षता पाटिल। भाई चलो कॉलेज जाते हैं।
चल तू उधर से छोड़, हम इधर से आते हैं।
हाँ, इधर से ट्रेन निकल रही है ना अभी।
क्वारंटाइन नहीं, तुझे गड्ढा गड्ढा खोद के अंदर डाल देंगे, तुझे आया तो यहाँ।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, ओके, आई एम वेरी सेफ।
Good morning.
वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग।
Cha nasta pani.
जस्ट हैड चामो।
जस्ट सिपिंग चा, सुर सुर।
Hey, hello everyone.
Hello. Audible now? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it's
okay.
audible.
So in between net has gone in between. Okay. Now we are where it has gone. Is it slide is moving?
No, sir, it's on the first page.
Okay. Where we have stopped, where it stopped, you tell me. So we have completed this Ganas. It is audible up to that point.
Yes, sir.
Morphology over, and then we'll come to this sloka I told. Darvi, Nisha, Guna. So Darvi is having similar properties of Haridra. Kintu Netra Karnasya Roganut. It is having very different properties, extra properties than Haridra. That is Netra Karna Asya Roganut. In the Netra Rogas, Karna Rogas and Mukha Rogas, it is having more efficacy. That is what we can use Daru Haridra special to Haridra. So Rasanjana is one thing which is prepared from the Daru Haridra only. From the Kashaya, we have to add Kshira, and then we have to slowly make Paka, then we will get the Gana. That is useful in Netra Vikaras. It is Rasayana. It is useful in Visha and Netra Vikaras. And it is one of the good drug in Chedana and Vrana Doshas. So it is having Tikta Kashaya Rasas, Katvipaka, Ushnavirya, Lagruksha Gunas. Berberine is alkaloid present in it. It is having antimicrobial property, wound healing property, useful in many of the worm infestations or other in malaria or other infections also. It is one of the good drug, Vishamajvaras, and it is even anti-diabetic and anti-ulcer. Many properties are there for even in fevers. Many fevers worldwide it is used. Karmas, Kapavitahara, it is Chedana. There Lekana is also there, but more Chedana property. Chakshushya, very good for eyes, that is Rasanjana. Vranas, Shodhana Ropana, it can be used. On GA tract, Deepana, Yakrut Uttejana, it is having very good activity on the liver. And even in disorders where liver is having infected, there also it can be given. And it is one of the Rakta Shodhaka drug, and Kapara, Kasa Swasas, it can use Kapsa and Pradishaya. And Sweda Janana, when we give it, it is a diaphoretic action is there. So these are the disorders, many are disorders which are similar there. Amayika Prayogas, some special are there. In Pradaras, it is having very good use. In Pradara, it can be given as Uttarabasti. In Sweta Pradara, it can be, its decoction can be given with honey. And in Rakta Vikaras and Rakta Arshas or any other disorders. So Rakta Vikaras and Firanga Daru Haridra Kwada is given, and Rakta Arshas Rasanjana with Mulika, that is Raphanus sativus. Swarasa we have to make Bhavana, and that we have to make chickpea, chana size Gutikas tablets, and it should be given internally. Netra Shodha, when there is a inflammation of eyelids, then we can apply this Rasanjana on eyelids. When there is a conjunctivitis, Rasanjana has to be mixed with rose water, and it has to be put as eye drops. So Vrana also it can be given. Mukar Galarogas also Rasanjana Gandusha can be given. Vishamajvaras, it is very good drug. So Darvi, Gruta, Darvi, Kwada, Rasanjana are the yogas. So we'll come to another drug, Jambu, and we'll finish. Jambu is a Syzygium cumini. It is also called as Syzygium jumbo, Eugenia jambolana, and Eucumini. Eugenia cumini. There are many. These are all synonyms. Syzygium cumini. This is belonging to the Myrtaceae family. So jambul tree in English it is called jamun. We can see Hindi jamuna, Kannada nerala, jambu nerale. So you have seen this plant, and fruits also it is available now. In summer season you can get it more, jamuns. See the fruits. So there are varieties are also there. Raja Jambu, Kshudra Jambu, etc. are available. Bhumi Jambu. They're because based on the fruit size, they are differentiated. So it is available all over India. Evergreen tree, and leaves usually they are simple leaves, lanceolate, elliptic, oblong, and you can see the flowers. They are whitish, fragrant, sessile, arranged in 3 usually you can see them with panicles. Fruit is up to 2.5 centimeter long, ellipsoid or oblong, and pink juicy pulp will be there. Bark is also one of the useful parts. That's why it is brown colored, rough and old stems. Shallow cracks will be there, because jambu bark and jambu fruit are the useful parts. So the fruit contains more moisture than protein, fat are very less, carbohydrates are 14%, many minerals and vitamins are there, and some malic acid, oxalic acid, and gallic acid are present, and there is a blue coloring dye, cyanidine diglycoside is present, you know that color, and tannins are rich, gallic acid tannins are rich, and jumbolin is a glycoside which is present. So this is Phalendra, one of the good fruit, and Kshudra Jambu is also there, Jala Jambu also there. So Charaka mentioned it in Mutra Sangrahaniya, means when we want anti-diuretic action, somebody is having more uh, frequency of and maturation, and then we can give this drug Purisha Virajaniya. When we want to change the color of the stool, when there will be color of the stool will be different, there are some disorders where the stool will change color to colorless or other colors. There, if you want to bring that, then you can give, or because of its that bluish violet color, the Purisha will get a different color. That is one of the thing. Chardi Nigrahana, whenever there is a vomiting, so to prevent it, to cure it, you need some drugs. This is one of the good drug, 10 drugs which are mentioned. And Nyagrodadi Gana, Nyagrodadi are the trees, very big trees, where bark is useful part, and which are Sangrahi, Grahi property, Stambhana property. Nyagrodadi Gana is mentioned, it is Vrana Ropana, Vrana Shodhana, means barks are there, so useful part. So we can see the Guna, Lagu and Ruksha, Kashaya, Madhuramla, Rasas. This is Madhuramla Kashaya for fruit, Kashaya for the bark. Vipaka, Katu Vipaka, Shita Virya drug, Kapapitta Shamaka, it is Vatala, because you can see Lagu, Ruksha, Kashaya, all are Vatala properties, Shita Virya. It is one of the Vatala drug. It is going to cause Vishtambi, Stambhana in intestine, movement will be stopped. So because, and it is also Grahi. That's why excess quantity should not be taken. So you can see differentiation between stem, bark and seeds. So bark is Kashaya, Ruksha, Shita, Katu. Here we can see Madhuramla are extra, and Guruta is there in the seed. Karma, it is one of the good drug for Stambhana. It is going to have styptic action, and it is means intestinal. When there is a Atisara type of condition, Pravahika, you can give it. When there is a bleeding, you can give it. The Daha Prashamana, it is going to useful in the burning sensation in the body, and useful in skin disorders. Its phala is, I have given some properties based on different parts, because its Jambu Pallava is one of the leaves, tender leaves are coming under Pancha Pallavas. Phala is also useful. Patras, that is tender leaves, are useful, and its seeds are nowadays used. Seeds are one of the important what we call drug of diabetes, and even we have bark. So phala is Deepana, Pachana, Yakrututtejaka, and Stambhana. Patra, Chardi Nigrahana. So Chardi Nigrahana, Jambu Pallava are mentioned. We have to give the tender leaves to stop the vomiting. Rakta Stambhana, externally and internally we can give. Seed pulp, sugar, it is Pachana Kriya, it will help, and it decreases the blood sugar and urine sugar levels and quantity of urine. That's why many of the formulations, they are having anti-diabetic formulations are having this Jambu seed. Indications and Amayaka Prayoga, externally bark powder, dusting, Vrana to stop bleeding. That is Rakta Stambhana properties from bark powder. In Daha, we have to give the fruit cover powder with Thaila. In Patra, Siddha Thaila, with the leaves, we have to make a Thaila. It is useful in Piranga and Upadamsha. This is syphilis and gonorrhea. External application can be done with this Patra Siddha Thaila. Beyond that, diabetes, Jambasa, etc. Internally, fruit pericarp, that is what we use the fruit. Agnimandya, Ajirna, Shula, Pravahika, Grahani. I told Stambhana, that's why it is mentioned. Seed power, chronic diarrheas and Pravahikas, tender leaves in Chardi, and Patra Swarasa in Rakta Pitta, you can give for Rakta Stambhana activity, internal also, and seed for Rakta Pradara and Rakta Adhisara. So seed if we given, we can stop this bleeding in along with the stool. And Pradaras. Seed powder is also useful in Madhumeha and Udakamehas, diabetes. Useful parts are fruit, fruit pulp, seed, bark, leaves. Jamvadya Taila, Pancha Pallava Yoga. Now Jamva Rishta is also there. So you can see, go through the research letter. So with this, we have come to the end of 3 drugs which are mentioned. 2 drugs, both are having many properties, many indications, samayika prayagas. Hence it takes more time, and there is some interruption also there. And sorry, network suddenly it has gone. So if you have any doubts, you can. And I have given one assignment on Haridra. So kindly go through that and answer. If you have any doubt, 1 or 2, you can raise now, and otherwise we will stop. These PPTs are shared in already Google Classroom. So PPS is there. If you have any problem in PPS opening, you give a message. I will keep the PDF there. Okay. Shall we stop? So we are ending the session here. Thank you, everyone.